Hello, class. I'm going to do section 2.4, number 9 today because one of you asked me to do it. So then say we have this curve, y equals 8 square root of x from 1.1 to 3.2, and we're going to revolve it around the x-axis. So then we're going to use, that means we're using this formula. Oh, that's a highlighter. This formula right here for surface area. So which that means, so f of x is 8 square root of x, which means that f prime of x, so that's 8x to the 1/2 really. 8x to the 1/2. So then f prime of x is then 4 times x to the -1/2, which means that f prime of x squared equals 16. 16 over x, because it'd be 16 times x to the -1. Okay, so that means that my surface area is going to be integral from a to b, and I mean that's 1.1 to 3.2 basically. 1.1 to 3.2, and it's going to be 2 pi times f of x, which is 8 square root of x, times the square root of 1 plus 16 over x. Okay, so then I can multiply those things through. I can simplify. That becomes integral from 1.1 to 3.2 of 16 pi times in square roots. When you have multiply squares, you can multiply on the inside. So x plus 16. Okay, so let's check that out. So if I go down here, 16 pi square root x plus 16. That's correct. Now integrate. Okay, well, that's a u substitution. So if u is x plus 16, then du equals dx. And so this is going to be the integral from, so u is x plus 16. So then if I add 16 to the two ends of the integral, I get 17.1 and 19.2. 16 pi times u to the 1/2. So then that's going to be, here's so then u becomes to the 3/2. So 16 times 2/3 is 32 pi over 3, from 17.1 to 19.2. And then will it allow me to put in things? Yeah, so you don't need to use a calculator when it gives you this option. Just plug in the two numbers this way. So 32 pi over 3 times 19.2 to the power of 3/2 minus 17 to the power of 17.1 to the power of 3/2. Check that. And it is correct. All right, so that completes that question.